guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be fishing Senkos, and then I'm going to do some top water fly fishing too for some smallies, so enjoy.
Logan, did you get another bass? Is it a decent size? I feel like we should have brought the net. Like, not because they're big, but I mean, it would have been a lot easier. Oh yeah, that is decent. I got you.
Alright guys, just got this smallie on the fly, took a picture, so now we're gonna get it released. Guys, now we're gonna go with the Gear Yamamoto Senko.
Good one?
Oh yeah, oh, smallie. Oh, it's a largie. Attaboy. Show the camera. Oh boy, Cameron.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, got one on right now, guys.
Oh, largie.
Got a largemouth, guys.
Nice largemouth here, guys. So, stay tuned, alright?
It looks like a lobster.
So that's what you were talking about? Oh. Is it smallmouth or perch?
Just caught this largie, guys. Right there. This is how big my bait is. The bass is barely bigger than the bait is, so I'm gonna release on this guy and stay tuned.